Welcome to Samburu, guys. Samburu National Reserve. We are going to enjoy here so much, so much. Actually, we already enjoyed, but yeah. Feels nice to be back in Samburu. Aloha, Samburu. Aloha, aloha, aloha. So this is my room, and today's Valentine's, so they put our Happy Valentine's in the swan, two swans, two of them. Then on this side, there's a mirror, chair, and coffee area, bathroom, washroom, bathroom, toilet, sorry, and here's your girl. And it's nice. And then the door outside. So we're looking for a leopard. It's hiding in this thicket, and we are more than 5 cars. Actually, we're even like 10 cars. Okay, let's follow the leopard. We saw a glimpse of it. It was in the river far, far away. And now we're following it because it has woken up and it's walking through the river. But the seasonal river, so it's dry right now. And now we are following it. So come with it. So that's the leopard. Then I have some rose flower. Good morning. It's 5 and I'm ready for the safari. I just have to like go. We miss our driver. It's 5 a.m. and it's 5:30, not 5:05. It's 5:30, and today we're starting our safari very early. But yeah, the earlier the better, and the early bird catches the worm. So see you in the field. I'm so scared because I'm walking alone and it's very dark. Oh, but I have to be on time. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh, there are workers, so I'm good. There's someone working at least. Whew. A lot of elephants. So you've come across a group of elephants. Wow. They're still grazing. You know, elephants eat food in 2 hours. There are some on this other side also. And the sun is rising and there's an elephant there. A beautiful ostrich family.
Nice elephant.
Bam. I get some nice shots.
Yeah.
I'm back from the morning game drive, but it was a bit slow today because we didn't see any kites. But luckily, yesterday we had seen a leopard and a genet kite. So today, most of the kites are on the other side of the park, and that means we have to cross a river, so it's a bit far. And our driver has told us we can try in the evening game drive. So now I'm going to eat my lunch. You are just chilling in Africa and an elephant is eating outside your room. Wow. This is nice. So we have started our evening game drive. This place is hot. It's very hot. It's like 30 degrees. And 30 degrees is the minimum. So right now we are talking about 31, 32 degrees. It's hot. I had to borrow ice cubes from the bar counter and put them inside my water. You see, I don't wear glasses, but I have to wear glasses right now because my eyes are suffering outside. Just looking outside, the sun is hitting the ground and whew, it's very hot here. So let's see how the evening game drive takes us. If I'm going to see anything. Male impalas. So these are known to be losers. They don't have any wives or any girlfriends. That's why they are a group of male only. So if you find a male impala and a few females or many females, then that was a winner during a fight, and that's why he has many girlfriends. So these are called losers. It's a big group and they are all male. So all animals are moving to this side of the park, and that is basically because the predators, most of them, the lions and the lionesses are on the other side of Samburu, so they are escaping them. They are running away from them. So you see, now this side, most of the animals are on this side. And now that means the lions will start coming to this side very soon. The Gravis zebra found in Samburu and other nearing parks. This one is an expectant one, mom to be. So these zebras, you can see the prints are a bit different from the normal zebras, and that's why they're called the Gravis zebra, and they are one of the special 5 animals and species found in Samburu. You see, on the head, the way the prints are coming, they're just like straight lines, like going down, not as the normal zebra.
Done for today's safari. It's 7 p.m. and we are heading back to the hotel. But we were so lucky. We saw a leopard again. And it's so dark. I'm using a torchlight to make this video. So when we get to the hotel, we just have our dinner and go straight to the room, rest and wait for tomorrow because we still have a full day game drive tomorrow. So see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Woo. See you tomorrow.
Top of the morning, a very beautiful sunrise and some oryx grazing here. It's still early in the morning. There are the oryxes and the small gray heron and the beautiful African canyon savanna. Wow. Breakfast. Sausages. Juice. Oranges. Eh, no. You don't want. The sun is setting and we have just like come across a dead oryx. So that means there's a predator around here. Maybe a lion because the oryx is down on the ground, but not a leopard. So we are waiting and see if anything might show up. I hope you're lucky. Welcome to Samburu National Reserve. Just see the sunset. So very beautiful. Oh my god. This is a red sunset. Orange sunset. Not the ones we usually see them in the cities. This is the forest, jungle sunset. Anyway, this is one reason for you to visit Samburu. The sunset. I'm out of words. Oh. It's so nice. Okay, so on our way back to the hotel, we've just stumbled across a jackal. It was hunting. Actually, it caught a rat. Now, yeah, there it goes. Bye bye. Good morning. Let's go see the oryx. Let's go see the dead oryx, the carcass of the oryx. Yesterday we left it and we couldn't stay longer because the time was over, so we had to go back to the hotel. But we're going to see right now what killed it specifically. Yeah. Wow. Oh my god. Wow, we saw a lion. A male lion. Wow. Yeah. Oh my god, this is nice. And we are the first ones to see it. Wow. Yeah, the Onyx is inside here. Where is it going now?
Wait. Wow, okay.
Yuko hapa katikati, mahali hapa katikati. Ndio yule pale. Anatoroka. Iko nyuma sasa. We are stuck. We are stuck. What? So those are baboons making noise because the lion is around. That's how they warn the other baboons, maybe who do not know of the danger awaiting them. So you can see on top of the tree there are some baboons, and there's always like one watch guard. You can see all the baboons there. So if you see them, like, and then the noise they're making, then that means there's a predator around. And the lion that you were seeing is still around here. So that's why they're making that much noise. Thank you, God. Oh my God. The car pulled us out, that car. Thank you so much. At least we are out. I was really stressed. It was a bad haul. That's why we were stuck. Mr. Lion is looking for the food. So he's just wandering around. Wow. There. Pole basi mama. So this is the brother. The other one is a little bit scared, so it's just running and hiding. But this is the brother because I think they were sharing the meat together. The other one is hiding somewhere there.
So campsite also is here.
Oh, people can camp here.
Yeah, so you use this water to make your food from there.
To make your food?
Yes.
Oh, I think that's why they had to like build around it.
Yeah, so it's coming from Mount Kenya.
Oh, wow.
It's going back here.
Okay. It looks good. It looks fresh. It's very clear. But no fish or anything living inside.
Yeah, this is a swimming pool.
Oh, it's a natural swimming pool. Hello, little birdie. Okay. Maybe some birds drink from here, but nothing is living inside it. It's very clear and very clean. I really love Ashneil hotels. They have the best of the best services. So bye guys. Bye Ashneil Samburu. See you next time. Yeah. But I love it. So nice. So is Samburu worth it? Yes, it is worth it. Very worth it. Because this place has the special five, the Gerenuk, the Somali ostrich, the reticulated giraffe, the oryx, and the Gravis zebra. So this place is worth it because it's different from any other park in Kenya you can go to. And as they always say, every park carries its own things, different things. So Samburu is totally worth it and you can give it a chance. And maybe you can try Ashnil. They are very good. They have the best service, I can say that. They're so nice and everything is good. They have very nice food and they make sure you are full. So you can try Ashley. So this is goodbye from Samburu. I'm traveling back to Nairobi, but I have our next safari very soon. and I'm going to the Great Masai Mara. So, guys, see you in Masai Mara. See you in the Great Mara. I'm so excited to be in Masai Mara back again, and I can't wait to record everything and give you the what is it called? To give you the best videos and everything good that I can. So thank you for watching this Samburu video. I hope you like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So bye 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 bye.